5-1 from playbooktrading.com. So welcome to today's morning preparation video. Well, S&P yesterday got bought, Qs also closed in green, IWM positive, and Dow Jones also. So we are waiting for earnings after hours today. Today is 24th of July. We're waiting for Tesla and Facebook earnings after the close. So I think Nasdaq will mostly be flat for today before these announcements. As for the sectors, SMH moved amazingly to the upside. We'll see if we go higher. Actually, we do see a move higher in the pre-market. So basically, we'll see if that move will be sold as we're quite extended. As for financials, also had a nice day yesterday. Goldman Sachs was one of the winners, one of the leaders. TXN reported yesterday. Yep, after hours, and that's what helped the SMH rise in the pre-market today. As for current trade ideas, I mean, we've been mentioning CRE as a swing trade or intraday one, moved nicely. ITW weeklies. JD was one of the good ones yesterday. Some of my colleagues are pointing out pins as it has some kind of a triangle type of pattern. We'll see how it resolves. Maybe we need some volume. It has earnings at the beginning of August, so probably that will give some steam to the move. SPLK still playing around. TGT, which I had a nice buy yesterday for an intraday trade out of supports, also might become a good swing trade for some of you. And for today's long short ideas, I mean, let's see what Netflix does. It had an inside day yesterday, so there is some resistance around yesterday highs, 314th. Also take note that we're quite extended from all the moving averages, and a big drop in Netflix without the market helping will not occur. Pepsi does look a bit bearish. I mean, yesterday it dropped a little bit. Let's see if today it continues. As for the other long ideas or intraday trades, I don't really have much of, because we're mostly focused on the earnings plays. So TXN reported it's quite higher. TRU could be a second day in play. TGT, you saw it. Snap actually reported good earnings. It made a nice move after hours. We'll see if we get a back test to somewhere here. Actually, let me place an alert. SE does look interesting. We'll see if it tries and bounce out of the supports. Not sure it's ready right now, but as soon as it's closed inside day yesterday, it might have a push higher. Also notice this type of flag. Lulu, very nice move from support lines on 1 hour charts, so probably it may get some follow through today. KO reported earnings which are quite good. I'll try and pick some if it gives me an opportunity for a retrace. Hasbro also same idea. CRWD. I mean, this is something I will be watching but not totally focusing on. EDU also. Kron might be an interesting play for a longer term as we bounced off the 200 moving average and we're trying to get off that channel. The volume is good, so this is one that could be considered as an intraday or short-term swing. CN looks like it's holding the moving averages, so the next setup would be some kind of triangle here. We'll see how it plays in intraday here and what the market will look like relative to this one. And CDW does look interesting, but overall not something I'm really focusing on. It has low volume, so I'll probably delete it from our list. Well, I think that's a short one for today. Let me know if you have any questions and join our Slack community chat room where we do post all kinds of ideas, share trades, and suggest different things in terms of trading psychology or reading list and so on and so forth. Have a nice one.